My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Mercedes A-Class. This vehicle has done just over 73,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. Moving on to the screen, using the buttons below, we can get quick access to radio, media, navigation and phone integration. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have heated seats on either side, as well as our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior. And get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.